Welcome to Daily Epoch, your daily dose of AI news. Let's dive into today's top stories. GitHub just announced it's deprecating GPT-5 and Gemini 2.5 Pro from Copilot on February 17th, giving developers barely a month to migrate. This is the third model purge in 4 months, and premium replacements like Claude Opus 4.5 now cost 3 times more per request. LangSmith's Agent Builder is now generally available, turning plain English into production-ready AI agents that remember past interactions and plan their own steps. Now anyone can automate complex tasks, no coding required. Google's Veo 3.1 Video AI now generates native portrait video and upscales to 4K, while its Ingredients to Video feature lets you use reference images for consistent characters, rolling out today in Vertex AI and Google Vids. Azure AI Foundry's new AgentOps suite manages AI agents from code to production. It traces every decision, evaluates performance automatically, and scales in containers, turning experimental agents into reliable enterprise tools. llama.cpp just added native support for AMD's RDNA 4, their newest GPU architecture, giving up to 45% faster AI inference. They've also added support for LG's EXAONE models, massive Korean language models using a mixture of experts architecture to run efficiently on local hardware. PixVerse just dropped R1, a real-time world model that creates infinite interactive 1080p video streams. It responds instantly to your inputs using just 1 to 4 steps instead of dozens, which could revolutionize gaming and virtual reality. OpenBMB just released Agent CPM Explorer, a 4 billion parameter open-source agent model that beats much larger models on benchmarks like AI, which tests real-world reasoning, making advanced AI agents practical to run on your own hardware. AWS just released DynamoDBSaver for LangGraph, giving developers a production-ready way to persist AI agent states. It automatically stores small data in DynamoDB and offloads large payloads to S3 for serverless durability at any scale. SambaNova enables sub-second AI model swapping, 650 milliseconds between models like DeepSeek. That's 50 times faster than GPUs. Agentic AI chains, Planner Coder, Verifier, now run instantly on one rack with no loading delays. Google's latest open medical AI, MedGemma 1.5, now understands complex 3D medical scans like CTs and MRIs, while their new MedASR speech model slashes doctor dictation errors by 82% compared to Whisper. Both models are free for commercial use and come with a $100,000 Kaggle challenge to fuel healthcare innovation. Sakana AI's new DroPE method can turn any language model into a long context powerhouse by simply removing its positional embeddings, those RoPE rotations that tell the model where words are, and recalibrating with less than 1% of the original training compute. It's a post-training approach that matches expensive long-context methods without the massive cost. Character.AI doubled inference throughput on AMD GPUs for their massive 240 billion parameter model by using smart parallel processing and FP8 compression. That's an 8-bit precision trick that cut their costs in half while serving 1 billion queries daily. Ramp open-sourced the blueprint for Inspect, their background coding agent that now writes 30% of merged pull requests. Built with open-source tools like OpenCode and Modal, it runs in cloud sandboxes to autonomously code, test, and ship changes. TRAE just added Sandboxing for its AI agents, letting you whitelist exactly which directories they can access. This security layer prevents the AI from accidentally running destructive commands or touching files outside your approved project folders. That's it for today's Daily Epic AI news. Come back tomorrow for more industry updates.